What good, YouTube? But today's video, we can get straight into it. I'm gonna be acting like a principal, school administrator, whatever you wanna call it. It's basically telling kids to do stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't got no power or authority. What number is that? What number is that?
33.
Are you allowed to wear that?
I don't know.
I don't think you're allowed to wear that. Hey, there's too many of y'all walk. Y'all gotta split it up, man. You know, it's a liability. Hey, take your earbuds out when you in class, all right? All right, yeah, all right, cuz. Hey. Let me tell y'all something. As principal of this school, y'all is not allowed to walk on the grass. Y'all gotta stop walking on this grass, man. Come on, bro. Y'all see what it's doing? All them foot imprints is ruining the grass. That's free tax dollars going away. We need to get this fixed. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir, right here. Hey, just make sure you stay on the sidewalk. You know what I'm saying? If you walk on the grass, you know what I'm saying? It's you know, school policy. Hey, no cussing. You're no cussing, young lady.
Oh.
Yeah, school policy.
Oh my god.
Can we clear a pathway real quick? Someone's celebrity's about to come through. All right, it's me.